This is Glencoe, a highlight of the Highlands of Scotland, a U-shaped valley formed by a volcano and then an Ice Age glacier. It is around 12.5 kilometers long, whilst the floor of the Glen is under 700 meters wide at its widest point. It is named after the River Coe which runs through it and is bounded by a number of peaks, particularly on the southern side. The village of Glencoe is at the western end of the Glen. In Ian Fleming's novel on Her Majesty's Secret Service, James Bond tells Sir Hilary Bray, a genealogist with the Royal College of Arms, that his father was from near Glencoe, and in the novel You Only Live Twice, M's obituary for Bond also mentions that his father, Andrew Bond, was from Glencoe. In neither film does Glencoe get a mention, but in the 2012 Bond film Skyfall, Glencoe is the Bond family home. Around 420 million years ago there was a volcanic eruption here. The Glen is today a very good example of a subsidence caldera. A caldera is a volcanic process in which a circular fault allows a section of crust to sink, leading to magma being forced to the surface at the edges. This sinking allows layers of rock which would otherwise have been eroded to remain visible. Around 10,000 years ago the landscape was further altered by a glacier. As can be seen in the video, Glencoe is made up of birch, alder and ash woods, moors and peat bogs. Wildlife that can be found here includes snow bunting, ptarmigan and golden eagle. It is part of the Ben Nevis and Glencoe National Scenic Area, a 922 square kilometre tract in which certain forms of development are restricted. It is one of 40 such areas in Scotland, which are considered to be areas of exceptional beauty, and are protected from inappropriate development. It is best known perhaps for the massacre of members of the Clan MacDonald which occurred here on the 13th of February 1692. I have done a separate video on this subject. The A82 road passes through the Glen, which I would consider to be one of the most attractive routes I have taken in my vehicle. I hope you found this interesting. Thank you for listening.